water bodies of Azerbaijan were formed over a long geological time frame and changed significantly throughout that period. This is particularly evidenced by remnants of ancient rivers found throughout the country. The country's water systems are continually changing under the influence of natural forces and human-introduced industrial activities. Artificial rivers and ponds are a part of Azerbaijan's water systems. The hydrography of Azerbaijan basically belongs to the Caspian Sea basin. Rivers form the principal part of the water systems of Azerbaijan. There are 8,359 rivers of various lengths within Azerbaijan. Of them, 8,188 rivers are less than 25 kilometers long. Only 24 rivers are over 100 kilometers long. The largest rivers that flow through the country are Kur, main water source and the artery of the country; Araz, Kanix, located in Alazan; Karbuli, also known as Areen; Krami, Samur, Biasizatke; Bulgache, located in Jalalabad district; Agstafa, Hekriche, also known as Haykari; Kurekche, Turtake Agdabake, Lavjitalragake, Turyunjai, Vilash, Karkake. River system. The rivers in Azerbaijan can be divided into three groups: the Kur Basin rivers, the Araz Basin rivers flowing directly into the Caspian Sea. Azerbaijan river systems are changing and evolving under the influence of various physiographic factors: climate, landscape, geological structure, soil and vegetation. The density of the river network increases, then gradually decreases later with higher altitudes. Except for the Talish region, the river system density is the highest at 1,000–2,500 kilometers, while in the area of the Talish Mountains it peaks at 1.6 to 2.2 kilometers per square kilometer at 500 to 1,000 kilometers. The average density of the river system of Azerbaijan is 0.39 kilometers per square kilometer. The density is even lower than 0.05 kilometers per square kilometer in the plains. Urar and Aras. The Kur and Aras are the longest rivers in Azerbaijan. They run through the Kur-Araz lowland. The rivers that directly flow into the Caspian Sea originate mainly from the northeastern slope of the Greater Caucasus and Talish Mountains and run along the Samur-Devichi and Lenkaran lowlands. The Urar River basin area up to the junction with the Aras River is smaller than the Aras water basin. The river is still called Urar on the junction because the water level of the Kurin is twice as high as that of the Aras River. Lakes: Agal, Ajinaher, Aligal, Boyukshore, Goigal, Haji Kabul, Jandari, Maralgol, Masizirgal, Serisu. The largest lake by area and volume. Reservoirs: over 60 water reservoirs have been constructed in order to regulate the river flow in Azerbaijan. The formation of these reservoirs is one of the measures that has been undertaken in order to ration the utilization of water and energy resources. The largest water reservoirs are Agstafache, Araz, Jayrumbutin, Kanbulanche, Mingachavir. The largest reservoir by area: Sarsang, Shamkir, Varvara, Vilshche, Yenikend. The reservoirs in Azerbaijan are designed to be utilized for various purposes, while most other ponds are used exclusively for irrigation.